I'm just starting to see business in a different form now. Business is not just about P&Ls. Business is not just about how much I take home. Business is an opportunity for God to be glorified. He has put me in that position to have impact in His name. So, does our business, is it an asset of ours? Yes, it's an asset of ours. We're put in as a steward. But we do want to make sure we utilize that asset properly going forward. I want to talk to you a little bit about legacy. In family businesses, most owners think that the company is the legacy. Well, let me tell you the problem that I've seen in so many families. I've got a father and a son. Maybe I got a father and a daughter. And what the father's trying to do is he's trying to leave that asset to the next generation. 9 times out of 10, the child looks at it and says, well, yeah, I want to make the kind of money Dad made and pulled from the company. And so he'll say, I'll accept it. The problem is, I cannot tell you how many companies have failed because the next generation takes over the company, and God did not gift them to run that company. So the company is not the legacy. Legacy comes in different forms. And what I've tried to do as I teach about legacy is help people to come to understand it's really not the assets. The company is an asset. Now, yes, we're supposed to be prudent about how we handle that asset and how we pass that asset on. But my point being is we want to make sure that we give our children in the next generation true legacy planning. And I think the way we accomplish that is we understand that we've got to make sure that the values we've defined, the vision that we cast as the patriarch or matriarch of our family, the relationships that we want to honor going forward, and the heritage that we have received from our family, we want to make sure that we communicate those effectively and pass those on effectively in consideration with the assets that we have. To me, guys, that's really what proper legacy planning is. And if you really want to exit from your company somewhere in the future, that is the way to actually make sure you get a 10 when you stand on the podium, that you did what was proper, that will not only make impact for one generation, but I believe can go 5, 6, 7, 8 generations in the future.